So first I'd like to ask, why should one even think of going to US for higher studies? Asking the other way, what are the advantages of going to US?
Regarding this, so we'll put it this way. It's actually there are different. It's whatever pathway choose, like be it the Indian PG or the UK system or the US system, everything has its own pros and cons. So it ultimately it boils down to one point: what is your personal preference, and what do you expect in your life? Like what do you want to do with your life? So like in my reason, in my case, like it was like I was more focused on academics as well. I want to do something in academics as well. So when I researched about all the pathways after the MBBS, then I realized that there is interest in clinicals as well. But in order to do something in academics, I thought that US was a the US training system was a perfect fit for me, because it was a bit different from what is being done elsewhere. So I thought I wanted to give it a try. So it's also a curiosity thing.
Okay.